are my rest and reset days. Normally, I like to take a Monday and really try to stay inside, set my intentions for the week, and go over my previous week's intention. Sundays are my rest and reset days as well, but I'm more focused on rest. Right now, I'm trying to like pick up back the momentum. This week, I want to get into the habit of showing up more for myself, and progressively I've been doing so. But I like how when I'm filming, I'm holding myself accountable to that. And I'm also remembering what my process is like. I use Notion to plan out my week and ultimately decide on what to prioritize. I dump all of my tasks and place all of my responsibilities into the designated categories. I document my previous week's performance, and then I use that as a baseline for how I want my next week's to go. I also use this as a calendar to help me just plan out everything that I have to do. We got our oranges, limes, beets, aprons, which is a crossbreed between apricot and plums, genetically modified, and we have our apples. Oh, sun gold kiwis and lemons. Just got off my period and I feel like I need to replenish my body. So these are the 2 supplements that I will be taking pretty much to start the week, and then I'll see how I feel later on in the week and decide whether or not I need to up my intake or if I need to just stop. I am doing work out on the terrace. So my work day primarily consists of 2 things. 1, executive work for my dad's business, and then 2, project management for my ventures and projects that I have going on this upcoming semester, which is like a lot. I meet with my team throughout the week, but on this day specifically, I like to really focus on communication with my team and planning with my team as well. I'm also getting back into the habit of allotting myself only an hour of social media time. And so as you can see, Instagram is like my most used social media app. I don't count YouTube, but Instagram is my most used social media app. And as you can see, some days I went over an hour, some days I stayed within the hour. But my goal is to limit my social media consumption. So I like to do weight training at least twice a week, and Thursday just happens to be the day that I found time to do it. I normally go in the afternoons, but I have not been consistent with it lately. So I've been out of shape, but I'm getting right back into it and consistently doing so. So this weekend, I spent most of my time spending time with my youngest sister, and I really just gave her my full attention this weekend because it is so rare that we are together and then for this long. We both don't live in the same household, and the fact that I'm leaving off for school in the next couple of days just means that I won't be able to see her and spend time with her in a couple of months.
You need a scholarship or something?
Girl, I gotta pay for school, like.
You don't have a job. A good paying job?
I look crazy. I literally just woke up. I woke up at 6:30, stayed in bed till 7. I was awake, but I just couldn't move out of bed this morning. But I have been doing better. I've been trying to incrementally push myself to get up earlier because this entire summer I've just been getting out of bed at 9, 10. And school's about to start, so I need to get some sort of schedule down so I have some routine and discipline. Your girl's gonna have to wake up at 5 a.m. It's a lot of work that I gotta get done. And I think taking these steps now, 3 weeks in advance before school starts, and getting in a habit of doing it now is gonna help me tremendously. When I do start school, I definitely wanna have this type of routine going for me. Wake up early, do some small stretches. I'm definitely an afternoon gym person. Oh my gosh, afternoon workouts, I'm talking about 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is the time. By 2 p.m. I'm probably halfway done with my classes for the day, and I just need to move and just get going. Some of my classes even end before 2, so actually some days I have a free day after 2. I believe my earliest class is 9 a.m. So doing all that before, and I'm a slow morning type of girl. I love my slow mornings. I love to just do my skincare, get my hair all nice, put on some makeup, wear my outfits, look all cute. And that takes some time. And it's part of my meditation. So I definitely need to wake up earlier if I want to enjoy more of my morning. So I think waking up at 5 a.m. is literally the sweet spot.
Holding on to, believing in, speaking into your world, that wasn't yours. And that the only reason you believe in it is because that's what your parents believe, or what your family experienced, or that's all you've seen around you. But that does not make it the truth, and it does not make it the only option. You have options, you have choices, you get to change anything at any point. And the hardest part is getting to a space of believing that you can do that, believing that you are worthy of that, and believing that it is possible for you. The sooner that you align what you're asking for, what you're speaking into existence, with your energy and with your frequency and what you actually believe, as soon as that signal that you're sending out matches your words, watch the magic happen, watch things start to fall into place. And as soon as you believe it, and you really believe it, and you speak it, you feel the power automatically. It is a spark that happens.
Organic s'mores reminds me so much of my time spent in Girl Scouts. That was such an era.